Hello there guys, it's Finley back with another video, and in today's video, as you guys might be able to see at the top right there, or you will be able to see, at the top right I have 2 million coins. Literally, I do not know how to glitch or hack this game. I have earned those all myself, and today there's no lightning rounds as you can see. I don't have any packs, so I'm just going to be opening up loads of 81 plus player packs. We should get showcases for most of them. The only ones we won't get showcases for is if they're 82 rated. I've only ever had one walkout from an 81 player pack. So I'm hoping to get a walkout in this one. Okay, we have Alexandro. I don't know what it means when like the thingies come down, but it's not like a walkout. I don't know what, like that. What does that mean? Harry Kane. Nice, that's a new player. Literally guys, I nearly have all of the players on this game. Like all of the gold and non-rare gold players. That I'll show you after this pack. Benega. So yeah guys, look. If I go on collections cards, these are rare golds. I need like 20 something more. The non-rare golds, literally, I need 10 more non-rare golds. Yeah, the silvers aren't quite as good, but yeah. I've only got 2 icons, literally. The icons I have are Roberto Carlos and Ruud Gullit. Let's get into the next pack. Batteries. Oh, it's a new player, it's Gomez. Yeah, Felipe Luis. We haven't not had a showcase yet, which is good. Because obviously from these you can get 82 rated players. And they're not showcases. 83 plus are showcases. Oh, okay, we've got an 82 here. Bangladeshi. We're just under a quarter of the way through. We haven't really got anyone yet. This Casemiro. Yeah. Oh, we got Gabriel Jesus. Yes. Is that Rakitic? No. Yeah, because Modric. Oh, this guy, Bakayoko. I actually have him on my FIFA team. Literally, he is so good. Oh, we have a walkout. It's not new. Is it? Yes, Pet. Oh, is it Sanchez? Yes, we got Sanchez, guys. First walkout of the day. Alexis Sanchez. Oh, 2 good Arsenal players in that pack. Sanchez and Koscielny. Guys, literally, in this pack, 2 of the players aren't from the Premier League. Like you got Chelsea, Tottenham, Liverpool, Man City, and then 2 Arsenal. That is mad. Zonzi, yeah. 82 rated, obviously, here. Another 82 rated. There's Lara. So looking at it, we've got one walkout in 1 million, so hopefully we can get... Oh! Exactly, we've spent exactly 1 million, and this is our second... Oh, I bet you guys it'll be Bonucci. Bet you it'll be Bonucci. AC Milan, ready? Yep, it's Bonucci. I haven't even got Chiellini yet, and every time I get Bonucci or Buffon, and it's so annoying. Okay, so we've got Titty. Insigne, that's a good pack. Another walkout. Please be new. Okay, it's not... Oh, it's going to be Bonucci or Buffon. It's Bonucci again. Literally. Oh my god, guys. Bonucci again. He's a good player, but come on. Can you just give me Chiellini for once? We have 14 packs left. This pack, we're gonna get French strikers. Oh, Lacazette. By the way, guys, Lacazette is literally insane. I have him. Well, I don't actually have him on FIFA. I've got him on loan. I use him, and he's good. We literally just got some of the best-selling strikers in the game. We got Lacazette, Mbappe, and Gabriel Jesus. Oh yeah, I haven't got Neuer yet, so it'd be good to pack him. But obviously he'll be a walkout. So 10 packs to go. Hopefully, the way we're going, in the last pack we should get a walkout from the way it's done on the 1 million. So far we've got 3 walkouts. Our best, well, we have got 3, but technically we only got 2 because we got Bonucci twice. In my opinion, our best one is Sanchez, but like Bonucci's higher rated, but I think Sanchez is just like better. Okay. Got 5 packs left after this. Berkey, nice player. Mane, nice. He is a good player. 3 packs, or this 3 packs left after this one. Hoping to get a walkout in those last 3, but I won't be too ashamed if we don't, because yeah, we've got decent players so far. It's an 82 rated. Centre forward, is it Cruz? Yep. Last one, it's not a walkout, but it's Mbappe. Or Mbappe, I don't really know how you say his name, guys. We have 241,000 as duplicates. Comment down below, guys, what you want me to do with these duplicates. Because, yeah, I really don't know what to do with them, so maybe I could do like a real life football scores, and if I get them wrong I have to discard the players or something. I don't know. But anyway, guys, I'll be back tomorrow with another video, and for now, see you tomorrow.